Hello, welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, you are going to learn how to integrate the API of for Google Maps. It's a very super easy and grab an URL from the like a API key and integrate in your HTML. That's all about to get an API from Google Maps. To get an API, for this you have to visit see this is what you are going to be loading Google Maps demo API. This is one. See, this is the for the purpose we have using for development purpose only. To get this, what you want to do is go to Google Map API key and go to developers of Google. See developers.google.com. Get an API key for maps for JavaScript. You search for here. You will be connected to Google developers. Once you get an Google developers, you have to register yourself. Once you register successfully, get an API key. Before you begin, you have to register with for see like a Google Cloud Platform console. You have to visit there. And API and services credentials. You go to there. And the credentials page get create credentials for API key and API key dialog like a created dialog will be displayed. Under that, you will get API key for your map. Okay, add the API key request for you to use on your Google Maps like this, like a script. This is the script you can use to add your JavaScript to call your map where your pointings are going to be restricting. In this position of the place, you have to place your own API key, which is registered with Google platform. All right. Now let's see. I will show you a simple code to implementing this thing. Go to Sublime Text Editor here, and now the CC, the function for initiating the map, and under that you UL or you have a taken for predefined like our area of latitude and longitude. This is the where you will get of your area if you are want to see some particular city to be displayed your map, where you have to find out using Google like a city or a area name plus you get the latitude and longitude values, you will get the map automatically. Once you place here with this particular area of the longitude and latitude values, once you put it as a document object, we are going to getting with the map. And these are the code map and markers you have to place in your code. And see, very simply and pretty easy to, once you get the key from the site, you have to place like a key here like this. From here to here, you have to initiate that key. That's it. This is the demo key I am using here. Once it is done for this solution of the demo, I'll remove from that app where I have registered. All right, you to create like this. Once it is successfully created and you want to use for it, you have to register over there and use for it. If you want to remove this watermark permanently, you have to buy some of the services from Google Maps and you have to integrate this API key. This is so called, we can call it as that API services. See, this is the source we are using. Some other services like Google Maps we are using to integrating to our services to display the map. So this is the website is so called, it is https maps.googleapis.com /maps /api /js customer key, and the key is displaying here with the callback of init map like map initialization. All right, that is the very simple, pretty easy to integrating with the like a APIs, application programming interfaces to our local HTML forms or any other programming languages. I hope you are aware of how to integrate maps to your local servers. And similarly, one more thing, I can give you a simple example to integrate your Google Maps. Rather than using APIs, you can also integrate with so-called it is I can simply say that iframes. How it is? I'll show you here. Go over here and open the maps. Very simply, you can integrate maps to your web pages. Yeah, go to maps. For this, you have to log it in. Already, you have to log it in your computer system and find it your address where it is locating to your computer system. Systems, Hyderabad screen, office address. I'm entering here. Hari Systems. Wow, it is located here. Somewhere around this place it is located. So what I want to do is just click here on share. Click here on share. Now see here, send a link for this or embed a map. There is an option embed a map. Now this is the embed map. There are options called so-called here is a medium and large and different type of activities like small. How it will be required to you to integrate your map into your iframe using a copy of HTML code. Like a small I am taken copy of HTML code and come to here after this script tag I am placing one more iframe tag here. This is also it's a source API. This is the Google Maps embed. All the links of the key will come along with the latitude and longitude of our location what we have set. Now save this and like uh, yeah, go to our local site and where it is this? Yes, this. Refresh the page. You will get once you will get this API key which we have used for key purpose, and later you will see the map point very clearly. Once as a user, you will get this information very simple and accurately free. Once the details of your feeded values are available about your company or area, what you want to display, it will be displayed like this. It will be more useful and simple to very simple, easy to integrate map to your contact us form. This is about to this API tutorial, and we'll see the next lecture more. Thank you.